Giki nikio githomo kiria ciana kuma thukuru itiganite guku bururi-ini gukorwo ikiamukira kuma kuri arigitani a magego aria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ya arigitani a magego guku bururi-ini.
Alafu pia hapa juu unakuza kidogo sawa sawa, lakini usikize ndani sana kidogo.
Kambeni ino yambiriirio kumana na wongerereku wa mathina matiganite ma magego hari ciana cia cukuru kuri arigitani a riu marithiururuka mathukuru-ini matiganite magithima ciana kana cina mathina maya na oho magathomithia ciana ici mitaratara itiganite iria magirire kumirumirira niguo gwithema na mathina maya no uria mangikinya na njira iria yagirire.
So the project involves screening for various dental conditions and issues, and then later on, once consent has been given by the parents, we'll come back for a round of treatment where we'll offer simple and basic treatment to include cleaning, a few fillings here and there, and one or two complex cases that we feel needs to be addressed.
Arigitani aya a magego maugite he bata wa ciana gukorwo na ugima mwega wa magego na gukorwo na magego matheru undu uria moriti aciari na arimu maiyukie.
And it's a very important initiative for us because oral health is a big part of universal health coverage and a big part of a healthy lifestyle. So the kids get screening and they get a lot of training on how to live healthy lives.
Oho ciana iria igete kanya ga guthomithio ciigie utheru wa magego no gwati uria magetheire riria marekereria giko magego-ini ni ikenetio ni icera riri makiuga ni marirumagirira mitaratara iria marathomithio.
Tumeelezwa tunastahili kuwa tunapiga mswaki twice a day. Hatustahili kula vitu za sukari sana.
Do not brush your teeth, you will get cavities. Brush your teeth every day, morning, lunchtime and evening. Thank you.
Kambeni cirambiriirio kaunti-ini ya Machakos na ni itanyitwo gukorwo igithi na mbere miena-ini itiganite ya bururi niguo gukinyiria makiria ma arutwo 20,000 githomo giki na oho na bata wa guthingatira utheru wa magego makiria riria mundu arakura. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.